Hey guys, welcome back to Tom Tales, and today we are going, well I am, because Tom's over there, yeah, he's bouncing the ball, and yesterday I bought a unicorn poo slime thing, so, and I've already played with it, Tom's already played with it, and now we're just going to go ride our bikes, and we'll be back in a minute.
While we were gone.
Okay. Hey, Tom. So, just got back. What happened? How did it get knocked over with this? Guys, do you see this? How did it get knocked over? Put in your comments below. Okay, guys, so we're gonna, how did it get knocked over? Like, put your comments below if you saw anything while we were gone. Cause like, we didn't do anything and we didn't see anything. So, comment down below and make sure to hit the like button and make sure to, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we might see you again to figure out this mystery.
See you in part 2. And part 2 is going to be the last part.
Yeah.
Bye.